Actually, let me copy these. And I'm going to merge those 3 layers into one. So I just selected 3 of those and merged them. That looks pretty cool too. Sometimes you get the best effects totally by accident. And that looks pretty darn sweet. So basically just adjust that out until you like it. And I'm going to copy that as well since we're using it. And merge it with this other layer. So now we got that layer. And we can play with it a little bit. I'm going to go Edit, Transform, Perspective, and I'm just going to do something like that. And I'm going to go Transform again and just scale that out so it's nice and big. Okay, so now I got a nice perspective on that. Now what I'm going to do is actually, first of all, bring this down a little bit and bring it kind of over to the left so it's not quite centered. And I'm going to hit Alt and hold down Alt, and I'm going to click my right arrow key over. Then I'm going to click my up key, then my right arrow key, then my up key. What I'm doing is it keeps duplicating the layer as it moves, but it leaves it behind. And it's going to create this nice 3-dimensional effect. I'm going to do one more to the right, one more up, and I think that's good. I'm going to merge all these ones that are down below by hitting Control E, and now I can actually put a bevel on that as well. And that looks pretty nifty. Try some other blend modes. And I'm going to use the cone again. Kind of like that for this particular graphic. Seems to be working well. I'm going to play with the angle. Maybe bring up the depth even more. And that looks good. I'm going to also go ahead and throw a drop shadow on there. And that just even more adds to the dimensionality of what we have here. Okay, I'm going to save that and I'm going to lock these two together, bring that up to the top. And I'm going to create a new layer. Grab a brush. And we don't have the brush that I want here, so I'm going to go click this little arrow and choose assorted brushes. And I'm going to hit append, which will add to my current brushes. And I just want to add some little stars on here. So let's bring that all the way up to like 350 for these purposes. I'm just going to add some little gleams to a few different spots here. And I'm going to duplicate that layer to make them a little bit brighter. Make this one a little bit smaller. Merge these two layers. And I'm going to make this little star shine a little bit smaller. Control T. Let's go, I don't know, 60%, 70%. And that's looking pretty good. Make this one a little bit smaller too. Maybe 80%. And that's better.